Hello and welcome to math lesson number 36. So first of all guys, can we wave and say a big hello to our friends? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin with our meditation sequence. So teacher Wes will sit down, straighten his back, and then we'll take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, open your eyes and slowly come back to the room. Okay? And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's all stand up and push in our chairs. And we'll begin, we'll stretch up to the sky. Hold it there for a couple of seconds. And then we'll go down to touch our toes. And let's go back up. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? High as we can. High as we can. Very good. And then back down to our toes. And now hands on hips, and we'll go side to side. Side to side. Side to side and stop. And next we'll go forwards and backwards. Forward and backwards. Forward, backwards, forward and stop. And next we'll go round and round. Round and round. Round and round. And stop. And back the other way. Excellent guys, and stop. And to finish, we'll do 3 star jumps. 1, 2, 3. Excellent guys, please have a sit down. So math lesson number 36. Can anybody tell me what we've been learning about in math recently? What have we been learning? Long, length, okay? Length, how do we spell length? L-E-N-G-T-H, length. We've been learning how to measure. What instruments have we been using to measure? Ruler, meter stick, and also even measuring tape. Yes. Who can remember on a ruler there are 30 centimeters. And 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches equals 1 foot. Excellent. How about 100 centimeters? Does anyone remember what that equals? 1 meter. And if we talk about the very little digits, if we talk about 1 centimeter equals, do you remember the little guys? The very little guys? Millimeters. 10 of the very little millimeters equals 1 centimeter. Ready, guys? 12 inches equals 1 foot. 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. And 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Excellent. Well remembered. And how about, who remembers this sign? How about if Teacher Wes writes this? Plus addition. So, what we're going to look at today I-N-G. Addition, what we call adding. Adding length. For example, if Teacher Wes has 1 length, let's do a simple one. Let's say Teacher Wes has 7 centimeters and he wants to add 15 centimeters. What do I need to do? Plus. So we can go 7 plus 15. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So we carry the 1, 2, 22. It's the same. It's a mathematical equation. All we're doing this time is we're looking at units of length. It doesn't always have to be centimeters. We can use anything. Millimeters. For example, if Teacher Wes wants to say 74 meters plus 203 meters. It's basically the same as 74 plus 203. Yes, it's 203 plus 74 meters. But what we're looking at doing now is still adding, but we're adding length. So we have to make a note of the unit of length. Like in this case, meters. If we write centimeters, millimeters. Okay? Excellent, guys. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at a song. And if we know the song, we can sing along too. So let's all turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen. Welcome back to class. We hope you enjoyed the song about the different units of measurement and the different characters who were telling you about it. So guys, if Teacher Wes is to write what needs to go here? 100 equals. How about 10 millimeters
equal 1 centimeter. 12 inches equal
1 foot. Remember, if it's 1, we say F-O-O-T. 1 foot, singular. But then, If we go higher than 1 foot, like 24 inches,
equal to feet.
2. We don't say 2 foot, we say 2 feet. O becomes E. 2 feet. And then 3 feet, 4 feet, 1,000,000 feet, 5 billion feet. As long as it's more than 1, it's always feet. Okay? 1 foot,
1 foot, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet.
excellent. As many as you want. It's always feet if it's more than 1. So now it's time to play a game. Okay? What we need 2 teams. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 students. So we'll have 4 on this team will be team red. 4 on this side will be team blue. Pat, would you like to be team red or team blue? You'll be team blue. So we have 5 for team blue. In that case, blue pen for team blue. And team red will get red pen. And what we'll do now, Teacher Wes has a series of flashcards. Teachers, you can print these off and cut them before the lesson. And what you will do, you will call a contestant from each team to come forward. You will write the numbers on the board, tell them to turn round, and the first one to do the equation correctly and write it on the board, they win a point for their team. Ready, guys? So can I have the first contestant from Team Blue? Prel. First contestant from Team Red. Pangpon. Okay. So turn, look at that way, face the camera. So remember, guys, you have to work out the equation. And of course, guys, you can help your friends. If you want to help with the answers, you can help too. Team Blue, are you ready?
Ready.
Team Red, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so the first one, don't look yet, don't look yet. 107 meters plus, turn around, you can look.
Finish.
What's your answer? Prel, 107 meters plus 67 meters equals,
174 meters.
is that right?
Yes.
High five. High five. Excellent. Can I borrow blue pen because I need to give blue team 1 tick. Round of applause, guys. Okay. And now pass on your pen to another contestant in your team. So we've done that one. So that one goes in the pile. Who's next? Who's next? Pak Boom, are you playing for blue? Lakao, are you playing for red? Okay. Come and join teacher. Oh, sorry, yes, I need to rub out. Thank you. Okay, so teacher Wes is ready. Team Blue, are you ready? Ready. Team Red, are you ready? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready, okay. Ready? ...609 meters plus... Turn around, guys. You can look. So 9 plus 4. What's your answer? Meters. Excellent. High five. High five. Excellent. What we're doing here is we're adding together lengths. So when you give the answer, make sure to give the unit of length too. Lakau, can I borrow red? Because you win a point for that for your team. So red now get 1 point. Round of applause. So blue team, 1 point. Red team, 1 point. Teachers, you can see the game that we're playing in our room, so you can pause the video and you can play the same game with your students in your room. You just need the flashcards and use a different flashcard every time, and also make sure it's a different student so that everybody gets a chance to go. So we're going to carry on playing here. Who's next? Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed playing the game. It was a good way to get your students learning how to add lengths together. And to add the teamwork and the game to it, it adds a competitive element. The students enjoy playing. In our rooms, the red team won 6 points to 4, but everybody did very well. So now what we need to do before our worksheet activity is we need to stretch, guys, so everybody stands up. Okay, so let's stretch high to the sky. And then let's go down to our toes. High to the sky again. And down to our toes. Hands on hips. And let's go round and round. Stop. And we'll go the other way. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And let's jog on the spot for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop. 4 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 claps. 1, 2, 3. Sit down, guys. And now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, you will need to have printed off the worksheet prior to the lesson. Have one for every student. And what they need to do is work through the 8 questions, adding the various lengths together. And make sure, because we're adding lengths, they always need to use the unit. Like the first one is centimeters. So make sure in the answer, they also give the unit. And what do we need to do first of all, guys? Write our names on the top, yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Down, welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So teachers, give your students around 15 minutes for the worksheet activity and monitor the class. If they have any questions, if they can't work it out, you can help them. Maybe by using the board to work out the equations with them for any they can't do. So we'll see you back later. Have fun. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity and had fun filling in the equations. You may need to remind students for the later equations that 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter and 100 centimeters equals 1 meter. So when they're working out the lengths of the later equations, they can do it in meters and centimeters. But we all did a good job. Well done, guys. So that's the end of our lesson. We'll see you again for the next one soon. So can we all turn and say bye-bye? Bye-bye. See you again soon.